So guys, good evening from me to you all. It's been a while. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I order from online African shop. It's called GT World. When you are in Germany, you know this shop. They are very popular. This video is just to share my experience, to create the awareness that you can all as well order African things online. It's not a pay video, it's not a pay advertisement. I order with my money. So they have the website called GT. So this is the carton. I don't know if you are seeing it, that they used to bring it. So it was well packed. I was really impressed. These are the protector to avoid the shaking of the stuff inside. Maybe it was really packed. So I order a double size relaxer. This relaxer is always too packed inside. So I'm the type of person, I don't really retouch my hair like that. I just straighten it like a blowout. This one I can use it till 4 times. Like my kids, their hair are still natural hair. I've never started to use treatment on it. So this one I order the double packed. This I order this Cantu leave-in condition for the hair. It smells good. Don't come. Oh my god, this one I saw online. I was so like, this is 1200 ml. It's a pure Vaseline, especially now in winter. This is a family size. We need it to rub the face, the knee, all those areas that you need it to be shining. So this I always use for my baby too. Soft and precious. It smells good. I love the lavender. Oh my god. It is also petroleum jelly. And these are my body cream. I've been using this cream for a while now, and I really love it. They have the oil, they have everything. So if you are watching me here and you like my skin color and you are impressed, you can contact me. I will give you the name. Like I said before, it's not a paid advertisement. So, and there is still another thing. So I bought this leave-in conditioner. It's two types. One is one of the leave-in condition is shea butter, while the other one is argan oil. So I'm going to be trying it, especially after washing my kids' hair. I'll put it there. Normally they have a lot of hair naturally, but I just want to apply that. Oh my god, these people, I was thinking that they are going to put a gift inside for me. Look at what they put. Only this one. Anyway, it's a gift, but I'm kind of not impressed at all. Only cocoa butter sample is what they kept as gift for me. So guys, that is all I bought from the African online shop. The big Vaseline, the contour, another contour. Oh, is falling down. Another contour, my cream, and everything. So if you would like to order from there as well, contact me. I will tell you exactly how it works. So till then, see you in my next video. I remain your humble girl, M&S Beauty Concept Empire, M&S Beauty Concept Party Event Planners and Decor. That is me. Thank you. I love you all.